The magicpad 3 Pro will be announced October 15th alongside the Magic 8 series, and according to Honor, both devices will be powered by the newly announced Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. The magicpad 3 Pro is being touted as the world's first tablet powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It will also integrate Honor's in-house E2 energy efficiency chip for power management. The magicpad 3 Pro will be available in 3 colors: starry gray, floating light gold, and moonshadow white. The magicpad 3 Pro will not only look like the non-Pro model, but it will also share some of its specs. The magicpad 3 Pro will come with a 13.3-inch LCD display that will offer a refresh rate of 165 Hz. The Honor magicpad 3 Pro is rumored to pack a 12,450 mAh battery and run Magic OS 10 out of the box. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.